Hey, Mr. McLaren here. So we're gonna go over concept maps and how I'd like you to do one on slide 11. I'm gonna spend a little bit of time talking about some stuff beforehand. So if you want to see the technical side, if you look at the timeline on the video, you should be able to jump ahead to that. So first of all, a concept map is basically it's showing how two things are related with an explanation, but also their placement kind of shows either like a hierarchy, like there's like this one big thing and there's these things underneath it that you're explaining using words on these lines, or you're showing how these other concepts are related. So you've got like clouds, lightning, precipitation. Those are all types of weather, so they're connected to that. And that right there is connected to this larger idea of weather. So a concept map is basically you've got these ideas and you're showing how they're related with some sort of writing between those ideas. That's the main idea. So for this concept map, I've got like rock cycle and magma and an explanation as to why they're connected or some sort of relationship in between them. So we're going to be doing orange boxes for terms and blue boxes for explanations. Now this is arranged a little bit differently than the ones that you saw down there. We're just doing color coding in between the terms. So if you look on slide 11, I've got all these terms that I would like you to connect and some blue boxes for you to write in. Now if you need to, you can copy paste these. Like if you do Control C and Control V, you can make another one. But I don't think you should need to. So if you're looking here, you're like, okay, I get that magma is liquid rock, so that's how these are connected, and I get that magma is one phase of or like state of matter of rock, so it's part of the rock cycle, and obviously rocks are part of the rock cycle. So I can see these connections. Then you might be like starting to look through here and be like, okay, well, maybe I don't know what erosion is. Maybe I'm not sure about how water cycle is related, but volcano. Okay, I can do that one. So you find a term that you can connect. You kind of place it near the other term. So I've got volcano that I'm trying to connect to magma. Maybe I want to make some of this stuff a little bit smaller, just give myself a little bit more space. Maybe I just want that to be a little bit smaller. And why don't we move that out of the way so that we can have some space to write between these two. So I've got magma and volcano there. So now I've got my explanation that I'm going to do between those two. So that say magma. Oh gosh, isn't it magma is like under the ground and lava is on top? I always forget. It's been a while. Okay, so let's say magma is inside of volcanoes. Oh man, spelling, right? Good thing I've got the spell check. I just right clicked and then found the correct spelling there. Okay, so we've got our explanation for why I think these two things are connected. Now I can go up here to the lines, and you can, I use some curved connectors here, but the basic lines I think are probably the easiest to work with. So you select like line here, and you should have this little like T-shaped crosshair, and you connect the explanation to the term. So I hovered over this, I clicked down, and then I'm still holding down my left click, and I went over to the other box, and when that other purple thing appears, it should connect them. So that's how you've got now your two terms connected with an explanation between the two of them. Okay? So you're gonna try and do that and rearrange some of these things. It might get a little bit messy at times. So if it gets messy, I might just delete some of the lines and then place them back down. So you're like, okay, well, maybe I want to have just some neater lines. Like maybe you didn't like how those two were connected. Maybe you could be like, okay, I'm gonna connect this to like there, but move this up so it's maybe out of the way a little bit. Maybe instead of having this line on the top, you want to have it on the side. So you'll have all these things that you're adding to the concept map and trying to rearrange, and you can shrink them down real small. That's okay. And you can also have lines that kind of go around other ones. I think with the curve or the scribble, you might be able to like kind of like go around a box or something like that. But that's the main idea with how you're manipulating this. Uh, if I think I showed how to resize the boxes, just gonna do that really quick if I haven't. So if you can resize the box and make them smaller if you click on that lower right hand corner. You can also change the font size as well up here. Um, I did the driving lines. Uh, if you want to undo or redo anything, there's these buttons right up here. So if you're like, oh, hold on, I want to undo that, or let's say you accidentally delete something, like you accidentally delete this box here, like oh, here, no, there we go. So that you accidentally delete a box or something, you can always undo that and it'll bring it back. Okay, I think that's all of the tips though that I have for you. I'll see you in class.